So problem number 5, it asked us to test 100 people, and each person has the positive rate of the probability of test positive is 0.1, and it had two test methods. The method one is test one by one and have 100 tests, and the test 2 is to divide 100 people into 10 groups with 10 people in each group, and mix the 10 people's test into a mixture, and if the result is positive, and we need to retest the 10 people, and so it's 1 plus 10 is 11 tests. So the question asks us that what's the number of tests we need to do by the second method. Okay, so we need to calculate the average test number for one group. So for a group of 10 people, and the possibility that it test the result is negative is that all of these 10 people are test negative, so it's 1 minus 0.1. So test as a negative, the probability of test negative, and power of 10 is 10 people, which is 0.9 power of 10, and the probability of the group test result is positive is that 1 minus the probability of test negative, so it's 1 minus 0.9 power of 10. So these two are the result of the probability of one group. So we need to calculate the test count, test number. So if test is negative, the only one test is required, but if test is positive, for the everyone in this group, they need to retest for 10 people, so it's 10 times. So it's one group test plus 10 individual tests, so it's a total of 11 tests are required. So the average test number of this group is the probability of the test as negative times the test count, which is only one test is needed, plus the probability of test as positive, and times the test count, so it's a total of 11, and it equals to 0.9 power of 10 times 1 plus this one times 11, so it's 7.5 times needed for on average for each group. So but we have 100 people, so it's a total of 10 groups. So for this 100 people, we need to so the test number is 10 groups times the average test time for one group, so it's a total of 75 times.